Well, we did it. We saved another Union Kentucky deck. This deck, guys, if you go back a few posts on our business page, peeling paint, gray wood, was just extremely damaged by the sun. Extremely damaged. It's locked down now. Really, really beautiful. I'll let you guys take a look. If you go back a few posts, I have pictures of this. This was all a dark brown, semi-transparent stain, and it was just peeling, especially over there by the door. There was a big, massive spot. This whole area was just getting sun damage and turning into gray wood. We've completely locked it down with our coating. This floor has 3 top coats, I believe, and just has a nice new fresh surface and appearance. Very pretty. I like this color. This is a charcoal. The color of this is charcoal. It's actually one of my favorite deck colors. It's really kind of close to a navy color, but just a few shades lighter. Here's the outside of the deck. It's just turned out really, really well. I'm extremely pleased with this deck. Extremely pleased with it. We also filled in, these posts had a lot of large gaps in them, cracks. We filled those in. So they're new. Got a new appearance to them. They don't look all cracked and gapped up. And the best thing about it is this customer walks with our lifetime limited warranty. They're protected against poor tradesmanship on this deck. They've got a coating that feels really, really great to their feet. And they've got a product that will protect their deck from the sun. This dude up here is your deck's worst enemy. Probably can't even look at it directly through the camera lens. It had completely destroyed this deck. Reset button, thanks to Kong Armor. Look, I got 2 other deck projects going on in Northern Kentucky right now, and I'm looking for more projects. I just signed a very unique project, another one on Williamstown Lake, where we have a dock down there that's taken on massive sun damage, and the coating keeps peeling and peeling and peeling. So we're headed down to Williamstown Lake to lock down another dock. But we want your business going into June. To book a quote with us, every time I get on camera there's a guy with a weed eater. To book a quote with us, it's super, super simple. All you have to do is go to facebook.com or fb.com/book, and then put another backslash and put Kong Armor. Hit enter. It's going to take you to a little screen where you can punch in a day and a time that you'd like to meet with me. Alright, do that. We'll get you scheduled for a free quote. I'm Anthony Ford. Thanks for watching.